Last night your shadow fell upon my mind, awaking memories I thought I'd left behind. I had to see if you were still where you used to lay. Last night I went down to the grave. I heard you scream out of the dark last night, echoed well into the morning light. I thought I saw the knife light gleaming